Before I make a repair, there's a few things I need to do first. The first thing I need to do is get my anti-static mat out with my wrist guards and make sure that it's set up so that any static is going to go away from the computer. Gather your tools, including your spudger. The next thing you're going to do is unscrew the case. Make sure you put the screws on the magnetic mat so they don't roll around and get lost. Use your spudger in the right hinge opening. Pry it open carefully and then take your fingers and slowly pop open the case. The next thing you want to do is take a look at the main board. The hinges are still facing you, so you should be able to see your speakers on either side of your battery and check to make sure that the cable is plugged in. Many times they're a little stinky and they get jostled around and they disconnect themselves from the main board, so check that. Reconnect the cable, and then we're going to button the Chromebook back up. What do I mean by button it up? I mean by putting the lower case back on, putting in all the screws. Then you need to do a post-repair test. Post-repair, if I don't remember what that is, I'm going to go check my resources. But basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn on a video or something that has sound, SPMath, BrainPop, any of those, and test that volume up, test the volume down, and mute. And if it's working, you've made a good repair. If it's not working, then it's time to check with Mr. Black and talk about the main board. Okay, you are ready to do the next couple of repairs on your own. Let's see what you've got.